Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on your phone. Samsung Galaxy A30s. The first thing we do is turn off the phone. It has to be completely turned off. It can't just be in sleep mode, it has to be powered off. Here's where the microphone is. And the second one is up here. It's best to clean both of them. If you don't clean both, something might still not work properly because it shouldn't be that way. It's best to clean both. For this, the best tool is a rectangular brush about 2 centimeters long with flexible bristles, ones that bounce back but are simply bristles, either soft or medium hard. Isopropyl alcohol, which will remove soft dirt, and that dirt will simply come out of the openings, and then it will just evaporate completely, leaving no residue behind, or something like that. We thoroughly spray the brush. We take the phone, yes, and in every direction we press 2 to 3 times. We go over it 3 times in one direction, 3 times in the other direction, 3 times to the side, and 3 times to the other side. And we repeat this about 5 times, each time 3 times in every direction, ensuring that the microphone is thoroughly and entirely clean. The small microphone opening. That's already 300. I've done the microphone. Now we move to the other one and do the same. So 5 to 6 times in one direction, 5 to 6 times in the other direction, 5 to 6 times to the side, and 5 to 6 times again to the other side. After the procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. We leave it so it can sit for a while, so that the alcohol can completely evaporate, and then we can use the phone normally again. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.